Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix your face scan on your iPhone. So when you refer to face scan, that might refer into your Face ID. So to fix this, it's pretty simple. So go down to your settings right here, scroll down and then go to Face ID passcode. Then here, when you're entered to your Face ID and passcode, all you have to do is actually try to reset your Face ID right here because that might be the problem because you might have a different haircut or something deformed in your face. No offense, guys. But basically, you have to reset your Face ID because it cannot recognize you anymore. So, also, you can turn off your attention aware feature or try to turn it on if that helps too. But if there's physical damage into your own Face ID sensor, that is a problem we cannot fix, but only Apple authorized dealers or stores that can fix because basically it's already destroyed and it's an IR blaster that's sending IR blasts into our face and scanning our face 3D in a 3D way. And to fix that, it's not just possible by you doing it, but only an authorized reseller or seller doing it. So if resetting your Face ID does not work, and you might want to have that check soon to your authorized dealers. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.